I feel so good. It feels good to feel this good. I wonder why I always feel good. This feeling is something that I embrace because I feel my vibrations lift higher. I know that when I'm in this good feeling state, all the things I want are no longer important to me. Because I know that by being happy with who I am, what I am, and where I am, my manifestations have no choice but to show up. Every time I look in the mirror, I like what I see. I reflect the person that I have created. Every morning I profess that I love myself. I'm so lovable and everyone loves me. I like what I see. I love how things are always working out for me, and things that work out for me comes easily. If ever there is a day when I am at a point of a non-good feeling, I know that it is okay for me to be where I am, because it's not easy to stop having these days. So I just make peace with where I am. I am where I am is fine. It's okay that I'm here. It's enough, and have no need to force where I want to be. There is no wrongdoing as I make peace with all aspects of my life. I love inside. I know I am pleased. I understand where I need to go and I am not afraid. It is fun on my journey towards deliberate creation. Every time I come to this point, I understand more and more and more and more and more of how my creation works. And evidence is showing up everywhere in my life. I am at ease when I see myself where I know I will be. Every day I get the hang of this manifestation life. I feel the inspiration here and there, and the knowing is suited to my well-being. This body I have is amazing and hosts an amazing person who has embraced success even though it has not arrived yet. I can feel myself turned into my higher self and the alignment of my oneness. This is so much fun watching me turn into the version of myself that I love. The more I chill out, let go of resistance, the more I feel so good. Knowing what I don't want pushes what I do want forward into my reality. Feeling good is my armor. Feeling good is amazing. Feeling good is my power. I don't need to try and feel good as it is already in me. I look in the mirror and say, this is who I am. I am happy where I am. I'm on my way where I want to be. All paths lead me to my manifestations. I love this body. It is magnificent, wonderful, sturdy. I'm empowered by my own self-being. Empowered that being the creator of my universe is so much fun, and that is how it should be. Letting go of control and know that the work is done and all is well and it is working out well. I trust my inner being, and that trust and feeling good brings me to full alignment with who I am. So I stand in my now and know all that is I have created. I am pure energy, pure love. I know this always.